Jigga D. There we go. Trans North Shore. Don Noah. Yeah. Rainbow Records. Swearing him in the man in time. And I've been moving his line. Tell it.
But you never know if you can catch these LA waters. You got the Loch Monster, you got a sharks, you got a pressure shark, you got an halibut. You never know what you can catch here. There's Zenium Cove. You're catching it, reeling it in, but it's gonna go on a new run again. It fights, it fights, it fights. But then the fish takes it back. It goes away fast. Oh, shoot! Did it rip off? Or is it still there? Is it still there? We must see. Bit of red reeling in the big monster. There it is, there it is. Boop, there it is. Boop, there it is. On the left, we have Zenium Cove. Dun, dun, dun. And it looks like he's getting this right. No, running. And on the right side, we have the Infinite. It's a big one. It's a big one. Are you sure? Yeah. I might love it. There's not. Here's Zen. And there's Mountain. He's running again. He's going for it. He's going for it. He's not going to give up this fight this back. No. But Zen, he's got some intense fight. He's extended.